Hey guys, how you doing? We got a Milburga decanter set here that I'm excited to open and do an unboxing for you guys. Let's get into it. Ooh, man, this looks heavy and complicated to open. Not too bad. Let's put this down here. Now these are available on Amazon. I'll put the links up in the video. Take a look. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous box. Really nicely done. Nice weight to it. They're not flimsy, they're not cheap. And definitely done nicely to, I guess, keep the product protected. Ooh, wow, this is nice. Take a look at that. It's gorgeous. Alright, so let's see how this works. Nice little logo. It's awesome. Let's get the glasses out first. Glasses look like they could use a little cleaning, but they have a nice weight to it. They feel really nice in the hand. I could definitely see myself drinking whiskey out of this. Decanter top, very nice. The nozzle, I guess, for the liquid. And of course the piece of beauty that really makes up this whole piece. Fantastic. This is a decanter in the shape of a ship. I'm not sure if you guys can see that clearly, but this is just gorgeous. I can't wait to put this to use. Product really came very well protected. There's no way, despite UPS and FedEx, that anyone can even try to break this, I believe. I could put money on it, because it was pretty damn good quality as far as packaging goes. Let's see if we can figure this out without looking at instructions. I love doing that. Oh, that was pretty easy. I'm assuming this goes here. And voila. Wow. That's how it was. That's how simple it was. Just gorgeous. Look at this decanter. I'm going to put this out here for you guys to see a little bit better. This is Milburga decanter set available on Amazon. I am super excited.